Hello, Pinoy Accountant here. So, quick guide lang kung paano i-navigate yung ating bagong website. So, all you need to do, punta kayo sa inyong web browser and go to our website. Ayan, is pinoyaccountant.com. So, once you go to our website, makita nyo at ating homepage. So, makita nyo dito yung tabs natin, home, course list, donate, and login. So, kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-register, i-click nyo muna itong button dito na register. So, i-click natin, register. So, subukan natin mag-register yung first name, lagay ninyo. For example, yung first name nyo is Pinoy, last name is accountant. So, username, gawa kayo na inyong username. For example, Pinoy accountant. Ayan. And then email. So, be sure lang to remember your username and your email. Example, email is pinoyaccountant@gmail.com. And again, yung password niyo, be sure na you remember your password nyo. Kasi once nakapag-register na tayo, automatic tayo makapag-login na sa ating account. So, gawa kayo ng password niyo. Ayan, once tapos na kayo, i-click nyo lang yung register and automatic na kayo mapupunta sa ating dashboard. So, once nakapag-register na kayo, automatic pala kayo mapupunta dito sa ating dashboard. So, you can view yung mga enrolled courses ninyo, active courses. So, if wala pa kayong enrolled courses, punta kayo dito sa course list. Click ninyo. And then, maglo-load dito yung mga courses na available. So, again, for now, yung available natin is just itong ano pa lang, the BIR Books of Accounts for non-VAT. So, if you would want to enroll, i-click nyo lang yung enroll course. So, yun, enrolled successfully. So, makita nyo yung progress nyo dito, 0% complete pa. So, yung about the course, ano yung mga contents niya. Ayan. So, if you would want to start na, click nyo lang itong start learning. So, start na kayo. Ito yung mga courses natin and then click nyo lang yung play na button. Yan. So, ito na yung topic is the introduction to the 4 books of accounts for non-VAT. So, ayan. So, magpe-play na yan. So, once na-complete ninyo, you can mark as complete or automatic na yan actually. If matatapos na yung video, automatic yan, magpo-proceed kayo sa next na video.